Women over 30 who are talkative at work, at home, and with their family should understand that this may be due to a lack of balance in their lives. As we navigate the complexities of adulthood, balancing careers, family obligations, and personal aspirations, it's easy to become overwhelmed. This can lead to two distinct but often overlapping experiences: burnout and mental health issues. Understanding the differences between these two can empower you to take the necessary steps toward healing and well-being. Burnout often manifests as physical, emotional, and mental exhaustion. It's typically a response to chronic stress, usually from work or caregiving responsibilities. You might find yourself feeling drained, detached, or irritable. It's a state of being where every task feels monumental and motivation is at an all-time low. If you're experiencing burnout, it might manifest as a lack of enthusiasm for the things you once loved. You may have trouble sleeping, struggle to concentrate, or feel the weight of fatigue like an anchor. On the other hand, mental health issues encompass a broader spectrum, including anxiety, depression, and other conditions. While these can be triggered by events, they often have roots in deeper psychological processes. If you're experiencing mental health issues, you might notice persistent feelings of sadness, anxiety, or hopelessness that don't seem to lift. Unlike burnout, which is often clearly linked to specific stressors, mental health issues may arise without a direct cause, and they can permeate all aspects of your life, impacting your relationships, self-esteem, and overall enjoyment of life. Now, you might be wondering how to identify where you fall on this spectrum. The first step is awareness. Take a moment to reflect on your feelings and experiences. Are you feeling overwhelmed by your responsibilities, but still passionate about them? This may point to burnout. Conversely, if you experience a pervasive feeling of hopelessness or anxiety, it could be a mental health concern. Once you've gained clarity on your situation, the next step is action. For burnout, consider setting boundaries. Saying no to additional responsibilities can help you reclaim your time and energy. Prioritizing self-care, such as regular exercise, adequate sleep, and nourishing meals, can also mitigate burnouts and rejuvenate your spirit. If you suspect you may be dealing with mental health issues, seeking professional help is crucial. Therapists or counselors can provide support and coping strategies tailored to your needs. Remember, there is no shame in asking for help. Prioritizing your mental health can lead to profound changes in your life, enhancing your well-being and resilience. In conclusion, understanding the differences between burnout and mental health issues can help you take proactive steps toward healing. Recognizing your feelings is the first step in either case. Whether it's reclaiming your time to tackle burnout or seeking professional support for mental health issues, you have the power to reclaim your well-being. Remember, taking care of yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity.